Okay, everybody, we're about to start testing out the grind. So I'm in a private server. I have 20 money. I'm not allowed to leave this server, as I'm not allowed to socialize with anyone, as that's the point of the challenge. So let's see how much money I can get to in 30 minutes. Let's start the timer. And the timer has started. Now, we start with 20 money, as usual. So we're gonna have to go and buy ourselves a hatchet. Can't buy without loading a slot. The issue is that I have no slots to load, so we're gonna have to restart and go on and alt. So yeah, guys, let's just restart. Let's start the timer again and just repeat what we did last time. Anyways, we're gonna purchase this handsome piece of land here. Drop that in. There we go. 500 buckaroonies. Anyways, I like to get cherry trees sometimes, especially when they're close to my base. Okay, we've got 22 minutes left on the clock, so my game plan is to try to harvest cherry until I get the plain axe, until I get the hardened axe, and then try to harvest one tree of gold wood, and that should bring me to about $5,000, which I think is pretty good. Okay guys, so we're gonna grab a gold wood. I think one of these ones over here should work. Is there any way that I can like put this wood on top of this wood and then like push both of them? I probably can. It's just kind of glitchy too, so I'm not going to. This here should give us about, I'm tempted to say 5,000, but I don't think it will. So let's try it. Let's see, how much can we make? Let's put the wood in the saw. Oh yeah, 5,000. Knew it. Or did I? Yep, 5,000. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to get this cherry. It's like right next to me, so I'm just gonna try to get some branches of it. So let's just chop, 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 chop. $7,000. Let's go. Wait, can we grab one more tree? Can we grab one more tree? Can we do it? Can we do it? 10, 9. Oh, it's over. Oops. Okay, so with 30 minutes of pure grinding money from nothing, I've gotten $7,000, which isn't bad at all. Okay, everybody, so here we are back again, and we're going to be trying to do 30 minutes, but we cannot like sell wood, so just trading. So the price to beat is 7,000. So if we can get 7,000, then trading is better to get money than grinding. So okay, let's start the timer and let's go. So unlike last time, I'm gonna calculate all the time from joining new servers and stuff, because I will be having to server hop a lot. So I'm not quite sure what we're going to do. We could just, oh, thanks. So I think Long Nails just donated me. So yeah, that's good. We're almost at what we just got from grinding. So it looks like these guys are probably doing some sort of Some sort of dupe or something? Oh. How much for an N times axe? Free. Gee, thanks for the money. Bruh, it's so much easier to trade. Oh my god. I'm only 10 minutes into this challenge and I already have... What? OMG, thanks. You guys are the best. Bruh. Thanks so much. Oh my god. From 2 million and it's been 10 minutes. 2 million and all these axes. And the timer is up, everybody. Timer's over, so yeah, that basically means that challenge is completed. And I've ended this challenge with 2,417,000 and a big truck and a sawmill and axes that I could probably sell for another 100k. Now that the experiment is over, we can conclude that it's much better trading and begging than it is grinding money, as there are just so many people with so much money nowadays that you can just ask for a few K, buy something, trade it again, and keep going like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.